We are at Burfubi Height. This is the system that we installed here. This is Team Kebe Electrical and Solar. This is a 15 kVA system. This inverter is 15 kVA and we have two batteries. Each battery is 10.2 kilowatt.
Wow.
And we have two of that. If we combine that together, it's going to be 20.4 kilowatt. And from there we have our combiner boxes. We have two combiner boxes. Each combiner box is having two PV strings. And in each combiner box we have DC fuse, DC surge protected device, and DC break. So that is what the other string also is having. So this is string 1, string 2, string 3, and string 4. They are all having DC fuse, DC surge protected device, and DC breaker. From there you have our AC side. For the AC side, you have a breaker, that is AC breaker, mostly MCB, miniature circuit breaker. From there you have SPD, surge protected device. This one is AC. From there you have two miniature circuit breakers. These are all 2-pole breakers. So this is the system we have here, and this is our changeover switch. But now we don't need a changeover switch because we rely on solar 100%. So this is our system here. It's Team Kebe Electrical and Solar. You can visit us on our Facebook pages. We have a Facebook page, and also on WhatsApp. We will put our dial on the screen. Thank you.